So, very good morning to all students. Now, as far as our foundation course subject is concerned, module 1, that is human rights violation and redressal, we have completed on Saturday. Now, another unit, that is dealing with environmental concerns. Dealing with environmental concerns. Now, in this unit, we will deal with concept of disaster and general effects of disaster on human life. Then some locally relevant case studies of environmental disasters and dealing with disasters. Now, in this ABC, let us deal and discuss with concept of disaster and general effects of disaster management. So, let us study environmental disasters. First of all, let us discuss why there is a need to deal with environmental disasters. What is disaster or what is environmental disasters? Their introduction. In the history of human civilization, many times we can observe, we can deal with, I mean, the human civilization has altogether dealt with disasters. Say, for example, Sindhu culture, Egyptian culture, or ancient cultures, the calamities occur, though it may be man-made, natural, hybrid disasters, etc. But disasters have collapsed the cycle of human society, the cycle of nature. And recently, some man-made disasters are occurring. And the example of Corona is man-made, though I may right or wrong, but to some extent it is man-made. At the earlier stage, it is man-made, no doubt. But it is, some people also say natural, but man-made disaster is Corona is a man-made disaster. So natural disasters are also there. Now, in the introduction, let us see Orissa super cyclonic in 99, Gujarat in 2001, then floods in Mumbai in 2005, then a Bhopal accident in 1984, then disasters of COVID or swine flu or some diseases also come in the category of disasters. A tsunami is also disasters. And what is disaster? What is concept of disaster? We will study. Disaster refers to loss of data which cannot be recovered. What is disaster? That it is a loss of data which cannot be recovered. The word disturb, DISTER, distur came into English language in the 16th century through the French disaster, DESASTRE. So disaster is the impact of natural or man-made event that negatively affects life, not only life but property, livelihood, often resulting in permanent changes in human societies, ecosystem, and environment. So, in this concept, we have seen it not only affects human life, but it also affects the cycle of human beings, the cycle of nature, and everything collapsed. The way we think, the way we are thinking about life, the notion of life, principles has drastically changed. Though COVID is man-made disaster, but the cycle is altogether the way people were greeting before COVID. It was different. Now the people, the greetings are different altogether. People, they don't shake their hands. Okay, there is no warm relations. So social distancing is there. It is not a social distancing, it is a physical distancing, but automatically with physical distancing, social distancing also occurs with the course of time. And we have observed, we all have witnessed how people, they changed, everything they changed from all walks of life. You can observe the changes in medical, changes in service delivery of services, changes in education, changes in eco, I mean financial matters of the country, changes in everything that we, the umbrella, changes in everything uh, of the topic which covered under the sky. Changes are everywhere. Now, let us study concept of disaster. And now, in NSS, disaster management lectures are there. Some courses were there conducted by UGC, HRDC, and especially they have designed for NSS program officers. I also send the brochures to our NSS program officer, Veer Patil sir and Hirgond sir. They were on disaster management, how to handle the disasters, though it may be man-made, it may be natural or hybrid, though whatever it may be, but one should handle the disasters. And in the NSS camp, all the students who are volunteers, they have understood, they come to know what is disaster through the guest lectures or through their practical experiments with going to villages and to create awareness about disasters, how to handle, I mean, how to handle with the pre-primary stage. We can take care in pre-primary. After calamities, if the disasters are natural, so it is beyond human capacity to handle. But at least we can handle. So there should be precautions we must made. So in the types of disaster, first let us study natural disasters. Natural disasters, I just have cited some examples like earthquakes, natural disasters, and in earthquake, we know in 2001 in Gujarat, earthquake occurs at. Do you know the center area of Gujarat? I, I forget, but the central area, Bhuj, I think so, if I mistake not. Okay, then in 1993, before that 1993, in Latur district at Khillari village, the earthquake occurred and it was the disaster of and calamities occurred to so many people, property. destroyed, so many people's life is also destroyed, they were dead. And such kind of disasters, I think, earthquakes, then tsunami. India witnessed tsunami so many times at the previous years. In 2004 at Chennai and in South India, they suffered a lot due to tsunami. And every time tsunami or the earthquakes occurs in Japan, though it is a island of 3000 small island is there, but natural disasters occurred in recently. Flood is also natural disasters. Then volcano is also come under the category of floods. Drought is also natural disasters. Dushkal. Then natural disasters are the result of some natural phenomena. Example we have seen, and some disasters are man-made. Man-made disasters usually resulted from human interaction within artificial environment, which he has created. Accident, railway, ship, aeroplane, or accident in industries. They are man-made disasters. Then hybrid disasters. Hybrid disasters occur when there is a link between man-made events and natural events. So, man-made event and natural events. Deforestation, okay. They are man-made, natural. They are man-made when for construction of buildings, the forest have cut down, so it is man-made. And the fire, flame, if occur in the forest, so it is natural. So then hybrid disasters occurs, just I told you. Flood, man-made and natural also. If it is not well planned, the flow of water is not well planned, and there are so many things beyond human capacity are there, then we call it as a hybrid disaster. Drought, landslides, wildfires, vanwa. So disaster comes under the category of types of disasters. So let us deal with what is the effects of disasters on human life. डिझास्टरचा मानवी जीवनावर काय परिणाम होतो हे आपण पाहूया. काय होतो? फिजिकल इफेक्ट्स. What are the physical effects? Physical injury is there. Generally, several people get injury by earthquakes, floods, and cyclones. For example, in 2001, earthquake occurred in Gujarat. I told you 1.7 lakh people were injured. In 1993, there was earthquake in Latur. Just over 30,000 people were injured. Then death in 1969, famine in Bengal, about 10 million people died in this famine. Cyclone 70 in West Bengal killed about 5 lakh people. More than 15,000 people lost their lives in 1999 cyclone in Orissa. And recently also Orissa has gone through disasters. Now spread of diseases are there. So due to such kind of disasters, so many diseases, waterborne diseases are there. Then waterborne diseases like cholera, or vector-borne diseases like malaria, pandemic malaria. Then after these disaster, public health becomes more vulnerable to waterborne and vector-borne diseases. After flood, cyclone, and drought, there is tremendous loss of agriculture. and forest products. There is of food and thus lack of nutrition, spread of hunger. In such affected areas, people become most vulnerable to many diseases. Okay, in the effects of disasters on human life, we can say physical काही शारीरिक जे काही आहे ते हानी होते, बऱ्याच मोठ्या प्रमाणात मृत्यू पण लोक पडत असतात. त्यानंतर रोगराई पसरते, काही रोगराई जी आहे ते पाण्यातून, काही रोगराई जी आहे ते हवेतून पसरते, हवेत सर्वत्र जंतू जसं की हवेतून पसरणारा आपण रिसेंटली कोविड जो आहे तो हवेतून म्हणजे असं हे नाही, पण माणूस व्यक्ती बोलत असताना काही अंतरावर ते डिसीज जे आहे ते स्प्रेड होण्याची शक्यता असते. त्यानंतर मलेरिया पण ह्याचंच उदाहरण होतं. 13व्या आणि 14व्या शतकामध्ये जेव्हा युरोपमध्ये ब्लॅक डेथ आणि 1/3 पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ एंटायर युरोप वॉज अवे, nothing remained, everything was collapsed in Black Death concept. Black Death, you might know Black Death, which was occurred in 13th and 14th century. People were struggling. There was no hope, only suffering, agony, death of relatives, kids and kins. I mean, no hope, no ray of hope is there during 13th century, 14th century in Europe. Then in our India, many times such kind of disasters occurs in 2000, in 1911 to 1920. We can see drastic minimization of our population, म्हणजे लोकसंख्या ही कमी झाली होती. 21च्या जनगणनेमध्ये तुम्ही 11ची जनगणना बघा आणि 1921 तर काही वेळेस ती कमी झालेली आहे. म्हणजे एवढे कॅलॅमिटीज, रोगराई पसरायची, किंवा सायन्समध्ये तेवढं सायन्स हे पुढे गेलेलं नव्हतं आणि बऱ्याच गोष्टी, आयुर्मान जे आहे ते खूप कमी होतं तेव्हा व्यक्तींचं त्या काळामध्ये. त्यानंतर आता आपण पहा ना, 16व्या शतक असेल, 17व्या शतक असेल, 18वं, जे राजे राजघराण्यातले वगैरे त्यांचे आयुर्मान किती कमी होतं, ते तर राजघराण्यातले होते. आणि अनेक साधारण लोकांचं काय असेल त्या काळामध्ये, तर आपण कल्पनाही न केलेली बरी. स्प्रेड ऑफ डिसीजेस. त्यानंतर सोशल इफेक्ट्स आपण पाहूया. social effects, social evils like the migration of people, social evils nearby to urban areas in search of employment. Then very often it becomes very difficult to get employment in short period, so therefore the unemployed persons may commit robberies and even murders to get their livelihood. It means social evils, the possibility of social evils can spread due to disasters. They migrate. After migration, it is impossible to get immediate job. It requires, and during between this time, people may fall to the victims of robbery and cheating or stealing other people's resources, money, gold, etc. Then social relations, they collapsed. Now social relations, observe with your own experience and through serials that social relations, people are very eager to hug each other, but they can't. Oh, we need distancing, we need distance. Okay, social relations. And now survival survivors may lose their friends, relatives, workmates, etc. on account of disasters. This may affect their life and indicate stress related symptoms. Now when in this pandemic scenario, those people, they lost the lives of relatives, I mean father, mother, brother, so entire their life is collapsed. We can't imagine how much it is collapsed, that the way they think, and not only the way they think, but the way they deal with some rituals, some ceremonies, it also changed. Okay, my heart agonized when I observed some funeral ceremonies nowadays. No children can attend to the funeral ceremony of their father. What else? No, nothing is there. Everything is changed utterly. A terrible beauty. Now it is really, when WB it says a terrible beauty is born. It is beyond human expectations, beyond human thoughts, beyond human everything we can't imagine in words. The concept of death has also changed. No relatives, no one else can attend. Children also, they can't attend. Okay, I think social relations has drastically changed nowadays when we can observe the examples of this COVID-19 and lockdown period. The relations, man-made disasters, man-made disasters are there. Social effects, man-made disasters. The man-made disasters like communal riots may lead to communal disharmony. There is widespread violence, loss of property, and loss of many lives. Man-made disasters, communal riots. We can see the example of communal riots during our partition, India, Pakistan. Communal riots took place in West Bengal, communal rewards, then communal disharmony, it was there. Then social evils, we have seen some of the social evils, how unemployed people, they uh, they fall prey to short-term gains. I mean, stealing or mischieving people, kidnapping anyone for their bread and butter. Then economic effects. Let us study economic effects. What are the economic effects? Unemployment and economic losses. Yes, during such time, people they lost their job. Job means the source of their livelihood. It also lost. Then industries, fields, transportation facilities, people might remain unemployed for short term. During disasters, some people may remain unemployed for long time due to serious physical injuries. So really, economic effects are there. Many, you can also witness so many our relatives also lost their job, and it is very difficult for them to live. It is very difficult for them to live happily, because if the source is collapsed and income source is collapsed, then everything will collapse automatically. Economic losses due to loss of property. Yes, loss of property due to disasters may possible. Then economic loss is there. Then economic loss due to death of earning members. I told you, earning member, if he die, so everything, it seems like everywhere there is darkness, no ray of hope. Economic loss, then psychological effects are there. Psychological effects, people go mad. Okay, psychological, they can't think. They are not able to think properly. Due to disasters, whenever there is deaths of family members and friends and relatives, those who survive experience mental stress, they suffer from depression. Okay, what is, psychological effects? Then nervousness, tension, blood pressure, sleep disorder, their performance at work is adversely affected. How they can perform well at their workplace? They can't perform if the person from disintegrated within himself. So how he can perform well? And no one can expect that he will perform well. Then there this people, they become aggressive. short-tempered, and they can fall to the bad habits like consumption of alcohol, drugs, smoking, etc. And according to some studies, psychological effects are fear, just 10 minutes, fear, then anxiety, sleep disorder, social withdrawals, decreases in interest in peers, hobbies, and even school, isolation, alienation. People are far away from their kith and kins, loss of life, property, everything is there when disasters occurs. सो आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण काय पाहिलं हे थोडक्यामध्ये आपण पाहूया की आपलं जे आहे ते युनिट 1 व्हायोलेशन ऑफ ह्युमन राईट्स, मानवी हक्कांचे उल्लंघन, यानंतर आपण जे काही डिलिंग विथ इन्व्हायरमेंटल डिझास्टर्स हा जो आहे युनिट आपण आज पाहत आहोत की यामध्ये डिझास्टर जे आहे ते कशा प्रकारे घडतात, काही डिझास्टर कसे नॅचरल असतात, काही मॅनमेड असतात, काही हायब्रिड असतात. हायब्रिड म्हणजे जे मॅनमेड पण आहेत आणि नॅचरल पण आहेत, दोन्ही आहेत आपण पाहिले. त्यानंतर आपण इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डिझास्टर्स ऑन ह्युमन लाईफ, मानवी जीवनावर कसा परिणाम होतो हे आपण, फिजिकल इफेक्ट किंवा शारीरिक काय परिणाम होतो, अनेकांचा मृत्यू होतो, अनेक प्रकारची जे आहे ते रोगराई पसरते हे आपण पाहिलं. त्यानंतर सामाजिक संबंधांवर कसा परिणाम होतो, सोशल जे काही आहे ते अनेक इव्हिल्स, वाईट गोष्टी घडतात, सामाजिक जे संबंध आहेत ते कशा प्रकारे बदलतात, आणि मॅनमेड डिझास्टर्स जे आहेत हे आपण पाहिले. त्यानंतर इकॉनॉमिक इफेक्ट्स, आर्थिक जे काय ते परिणाम कशा प्रकारे होतात, अनेक लोकांचा जॉब जातो, अनेक लोक बेघर होतात, अनेकांचे जे आहे ते नोकरी जातात किंवा ते बेरोजगारी पसरते. त्यानंतर इकॉनॉमिक लॉस ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, त्यानंतर इकॉनॉमिक लॉस, डेथ ऑफ अर्निंग मेंबर्स, जे काय आहे ते कमावणारे जे घरचे जे मंडळी आहेत किंवा ते देवाघरी गेले की जे काय आहे ते प्रॉब्लेम खूप अशा प्रकारचे निर्माण होण्याची शक्यता असते. आणि सायकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट्स, जे काय मानसिक पण लोकांना खूप त्रास होतो. अशा काळामध्ये ते व्यवस्थित विचार करू शकत नाही, करू शकत नाहीत, स्ट्रेस येतो. त्यानंतर स्लीप जे आपलं जे आहे ते स्लीप just due to internet disconnectivity we could not go further. If you have any problems, just we are taking less because of time limitations we have. आपण जे आहे ते आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपत्ती व्यवस्थापन, त्याचे प्रकार, आपत्तीचे जे कोणकोणते प्रकार आहेत, त्यावर जे काय ते उपाययोजना काय आहेत ते उद्या आपण पाहूया. कुणाला काही प्रश्न असतील तर विचारा, जेवढं आपलं झालेलं आहे. डिझास्टर्स, त्यानंतर सोशल इफेक्ट्स, त्यानंतर जे आहे ते रेफरन्सेस मी टाकलेले आहेत. तर just a minute, I will stop share screen and will also stop recording.